Today we are taking a look at this Xianke lunchbox set. This is BPA free plastic. Here are all the different pieces that come inside. There are 3 different Ziploc style bags here in the shape of a jar, a small, medium and large size. Then there are the cookie cutters, you can say, 3 different styles with a cleaning brush. There are 3 silicone cupcake molds. There are 10 different small animal-shaped forks. There is a small sauce box that you can put accompaniment to the kids' lunch. There is a water bottle with straw. There is a utensil set that comes with a spoon, a fork, and a knife inside. It's a pretty handy set that you can put in the lunchbox alongside the meals for the kids to have full-size cutlery available to eat their food. And there's the main lunchbox that is lockable from all 4 sides, so the food doesn't spill out. It is actually airtight. It has 1 large section and 3 smaller sections in it for a total of 4 sections. And finally, all of this comes in this beautiful unicorn lunch bag. You can fit all of these in the lunch bag itself, the main lunchbox on one side, and all the additional materials you want to add onto the top part, and your kid can carry it to school, picnic, or wherever they are going. I know my kids really enjoy using this lunchbox set. Hope yours will like it too.